When we use the area model to multiply decimals, what we're doing is we're considering this square right here to be 1 whole by 1 whole. So if we move it over and we say each one of these rows, since there are 10 of them, is a tenth, if I move it over 1, this is 1/10. If I'm doing 1/10 times 1/10, my model would look like this. Now, when I multiply decimals, I realize that a tenth is part of a whole and a tenth is part of a whole. So I only have part of a whole, and I'm taking a group that is part of a whole. So my answer is actually going to be smaller. So a tenth times a tenth will actually give me 100th. This is the product of both of these two numbers. So it's the portion of the portion I have. So if I have 1/10 and I'm taking 1/10 of it, this is my product right here. So if I were to change mine and say 4/10 times 3/10, I'm actually looking for my answer right here in my model. So in my model, 4/10 times 3/10 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, but it's not just 12. Each one of these little squares is 100th of my whole. So it's 12 hundredths.